Okay, today I'm at a gas line where apparently it ruptured underground. So you can see this is the water heater, and in back of this wall there's a dryer. So this is the garage attachment. This is the back of the house. So this one here is the gas line. Right here, the bottom pipe. So this guy runs underground this way, under here, and you can see the lines here. This one is the gas line here going down. The other one's obviously a water line. We're gonna back out. So it's all cement over here. Okay. It's a little thin over here. Then there's the front house, and this is the water heater. There is a gas line here, and on the other side you can see the gas meter right there in the corner, right over there.